Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will learn how to create an email signature. First of all, you need to know what is email signature. Email signature is a text or block that will be automatically added at the end of your email. It can be a text or a picture. Today we will learn to create email signature in Google Docs. In this document I will create a email signature. For email signature I will add a table of 2 columns. You can adjust this table accordingly as you want to create your email signature. I have selected table of 2 columns. In one side I will add a picture and on the other side I will add info regarding name, designation, mobile number, email address, and I will add social media links. For uploading a picture I will go to insert, then click on image and upload from file. Here I will select my picture and click on upload. Finally our picture is uploaded. You can adjust it accordingly. On other side I will add name, you can adjust it as you want to. You can change its font style, font color. I will select it and change its font style to look perfect email signature. Then I will write designation like account officer. I will change its color and font size. I think we should increase the font size of name. After designation I will write email address. For email address I have to select icon of email. I will add a dummy email. This is not actual email address. You can write your own email address here. Then I will add icon of mobile. Then I will add a dummy mobile number. This is not an actual mobile number. You can write your own mobile number here. You can increase the size of your icons. After these icons I will add table. I will adjust its size. You can adjust it as you want to make email signature. For logos, I will go to, for making a perfect size logos for email signature, I will go to canva.com and I will create here new file. Here I will select 100 by 100 pixel size. I think this is the perfect size for a logo. Here I will select some logos and arrange them in a perfect size for email signature. I will make new logo for another social media icons. Then I will do it same for third one. After making it perfect, I will download this file. After downloading logos, I will insert them one by one. For insert, I will go to insert and go to picture and upload from file. Here I will select first logo and then I will do it for second one. Then I will do same for third one. Oh, sorry. Now you need to add your social media links. I have opened YouTube and copy his address. I will add this address in all social media icons because I am creating a dummy email signature. You will add your own social media links here one by one in all social media icons. By adding these links, your email signature will be a clickable email signature. After these icons, I will write address. Please note, this is a dummy address. This is not my actual address. After writing address, I will change its font color. For a perfect email signature, you need to get rid of these lines around email signature. So for this, I will remove these lines. This may take time. perfect. After removing these lines, I will write thanks and regards for a perfect email signature. I will change its size and font style for a perfect design. Now you can see our clickable email signature is ready. Now the next process is to add this email signature in your Google account or email account. To select all, press Ctrl plus A, and for copy press Ctrl plus C. Now go to your email address, click on settings, then go to see all settings. Here you have to find signature. Now click on create new signature. Write name of your email signature. You can write any name. Now press Ctrl plus V to paste your email signature here. Then select your name of your signature here in both these columns and then press save changes. After saving this, you can see your email signature is added perfectly. Now when you will send your email, this email signature will be added automatically in your all emails. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video finds you well. If you find this video perfect, please share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.